In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a landing page in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and looking for the section called Pages and Forms. This is where Aweber keeps the tools for building pages and collecting signups. Inside Pages and Forms, select Landing Pages. You will now see the landing page area where you can manage existing pages or create a new one. Next, click Create a Landing Page. This opens the Landing Page Builder, where you will choose a starting layout. Go ahead and pick a template that matches your goal, like promoting a lead magnet, announcing an event, or collecting email subscribers. You can change the look later, so focus on choosing a structure that fits the type of content you plan to include. Once the template loads, begin customizing it by clicking directly on elements in the page. Click on text to edit headlines, descriptions, and any small details. Keep your headline clear and specific, and make sure the body text supports the main offer. Click on images to replace them with your own visuals. If there is a button, click it to update the button text so it matches the action you want visitors to take. If you want to add more content, use the toolbar. Drag new elements from the toolbar and drop them onto the page where you want them to appear. This is useful for adding extra text, images, or spacing to improve the layout and make the page easier to scan. When your content is in place, click Design. This is where you can set global colors and fonts for the entire landing page. Choose a font that is easy to read and a color palette that matches your brand. Using consistent styling helps the page look polished and professional. After that, click the Form block. This is the sign-up form area, and it is important because it drives conversions. Adjust the styling of the input fields and make sure they are clean and readable. Then style the Submit button so it stands out, with clear text that tells people exactly what happens when they click. Now click Preview to check how your landing page looks, especially on mobile. Make sure the text is readable, the images fit well, and the form is easy to complete on a phone. Finally, click Save and Exit, and then click Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to share. That covers everything you need to know.